चलो okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready for your beautiful question.
Okay, thank you so much. সম্মানিত অভিভাবকবৃন্দ, আপনাদের সকলের পূর্ণ সাহায্য সহযোগিতা ও ভালোবাসা কামনা করে আমাদের উজ্জ্বল ভবিষ্যৎকে সুনিশ্চিত করতে আজকের এই প্রাণবন্ত ক্লাসের আয়োজন। আমরা প্রত্যেকেই জানি আমাদের লাস্ট অ্যান্ড ফাইনাল স্টেজ ইন্টারভিউ ক্র্যাক করা। সেই বিষয়টি যদি আমরা খুব ছোটকাল থেকে আমাদের আর্লি স্টেজ থেকে অপর লাইফ আমাদের জীবনের খুব শুরু থেকে যদি আমরা এই বিষয়টার সঙ্গে ইউজড হতে পারি, অভ্যস্ত হতে পারি, তাহলে ইন ফিউচার খুব অদূর ভবিষ্যতে আমরা কিন্তু নার্ভাসনেসটা কাটিয়ে উঠতে পারবো এবং সুন্দরভাবে নিজেকে উপস্থাপন করতে পারবো ইন্টারভিউ অফিসারদের নিকট। এমনই সব প্রত্যাশায় আপনাদের সকলে আশীর্বাদ মাথায় নিয়ে আজকের প্রাণবন্ত ক্লাসের আয়োজন। সঙ্গে থাকুন, দেখতে থাকুন। I think you will be highly benefited from this class. So, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready for your beautiful question.
Okay, thank you very so much. So, in this class, we are going to learn how to face interview. So, especially in a job interview. So, first of all, please tell me, you have to make sure that how to deliver, introduce yourself. At the very beginning question, you will be asked in this way that please introduce yourself. So, please tell us something about yourself.
Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to say something about myself. Sir, as you know, I am Anik Devnath, a student of class 6 of Amali Nejaji Vidyapith High School. I am born and brought up in a wonderful place. It is situated in Nadia district of West Bengal. And I am from a beautiful place. Its name is Chandra.
Good.
So, there are 5 members in our lovely family, and I am a proud member of my family. And I am the second offspring of my noble parents. And now I would like to say about my likes and dislikes. My favorite game is football, and my favorite fruit is mango. And I also like patriotism, sincerity, and honesty. Now I would like to say about my likes and I dislike speaking ill of others and waste of time. My favorite hobby is reading books, and I also interested in teaching. Sir, everyone should have an aim in life because an aimless life is just like a boat without a boatman. So my aim in life to be a great pilot as well as a good human being.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for listening to me.
Yes, your presentation is good. You have already mentioned that you want to be a great pilot as well as good human beings. Very nice question. Okay, now in very short term way, please describe your mom.
Sir, my mother is my role model. She is most beautiful, strong, and loving, caring, and wonderful person in my life. The only unconditional love in the world is the mother's love. Sir, my mother is my superhero, my best friend, and my guiding light. My mother, through ups and downs in every step, she holds my hand and supports and encourages me to move forward. To be honest, my mother,
Yes, okay, don't get nervous. Thank you. Now you have to tell me. So let's talk about GK, I mean general questions. So first of all, please tell me what is the code of Bhutan's currency?
Bhutan's currency is called Nultram.
Nultram. Do you know that what is the currency of United States of America?
United States of America's currency is called American dollar.
American dollar. Yes, the United States dollar. And Japan?
Japan's currency is called yen.
What is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo is the capital of Japan.
What is the capital of Bhutan?
Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan.
What is the capital of Argentina?
Buenos Aires is the capital of Argentina.
What is the currency? What is the called of currency of Argentina?
Argentina's currency is called peso.
Portugal?
Portugal's currency is called
Portugal's currency is called maybe euro.
Euro.
Thank you. And Lisbon is the capital of Portugal. Okay, very nice. Now let's talk about English grammar. So tense. First of all, please tell me. We are practicing like in this way. I am watching TV. They are playing cricket. What this kind of sentence? What kind of tense this is?
This is the present continuous tense.
Could you tell me the sentence formation of present continuous tense? Affirmative sentence.
Yes, sir. First we'll take subject, then we'll take auxiliary verb, am is are. According to subject, then we'll take main verb with ing and object others complement.
Object others
Complement.
complement. In your opinion, it's a personal opinion, why should we learn English language in this modern world?
It is the language of science, aviation, diplomacy, tourism, etc. And last but not least, it is the language of international communication, internet and the media. And whether it is personal and professional reasons, in understanding the English will always help us to move forward to get our goals and to achieve our targets. That's all why we all should.
That's all of us should learn English language, okay? And it is give us a lot of opportunity to get a good job and to build our career. Thank you very so much. And your presentation is good, your body language is good, but I think this is the first video on camera in this situation. But you have to be confident. You always try to speak whenever with another person or with interview officer. You have to maintain your eye contact. Okay? Don't lose your eye contact and don't be so scared and afraid that always you have to be polite whenever you try to speaking to your others person, I mean officers, and you have to be confident, you have to be polite and always try to be confident. Okay? Thank you so much. Best of luck. All the best. Very nice. My dear friends, আমরা খুব একটা প্র্যাকটিক্যালি এবং কি বলবো আর্লি স্টেজ আমরা প্র্যাকটিসের মধ্যে থাকার জন্য একটা প্রাণবন্ত ক্লাসের আয়োজন করেছিলাম। আই থিঙ্ক এখান থেকে যে আমরা যতটা নলেজ আর্ন করতে পারলাম এটাকে আমরা পরবর্তীতে কাজে লাগাতে পারবো এবং অদূর ভবিষ্যতে এটা আমাদেরকে দারুণভাবে হেল্প করবে। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি সো মাচ। আবার আপনাদের সকলের দীর্ঘায়ু সুস্বাস্থ্য সার্বক্ষণিক কল্যাণ কামনায় আমার এই ছোট্ট শিক্ষার্থী ভাইয়ের উজ্জ্বল ভবিষ্যৎ কামনায় আজকের মতো এখানে শেষ করছি। আবার দেখা হবে অন্য কোনো দিন অন্য কোনো ভাবে। ততক্ষণে খুব খুব ভালো থাকবেন। লাভ ইউ।